Welcome back. Vendors at the Old Heritage Market in Mapsa have opposed demolition of Flower Market. Goa Heritage Action Group along with vendors have demanded to beautify, clean and restore the building. The vendors later met Mapsa chairperson Sandeep Falari.
हे जे स्ट्रक्चर आसा जर तर हांचे जे आमचे गोयकार भाव आनी भयणी आसा तांकां जर ते मोडिले नाका म्युनिसिपालिटी कितें अधिकार आसा मोडपाचो जर हांचे लोकांक तांकां ह्या मार्केटाक परंपरा आसा तांकां दिसता की ते मोडचे न्ही म्हणून जाल्यार हो आवाज म्युनिसिपालिटीन आयकुपाकूच जाय.
Vendors at Mapsa Flower Market have opposed demolition of old heritage building.
तुमक सांगना आसतलो बुलडोज कोण डिमॉलिश करून जायना तुमकां रस्त्यार उडोवपाक आनी आमी केशे दिवना आमी हे बिल्डिंगाक हात घालपाक केशे दिवना तुमी प्रोजेक्ट फाटगे आनी रिस्टोर कर कितें मोड न्हू हा तसोच रेनोवेट कर रिस्टोर कितें हेरिटेज बिल्डिंग म्हणून जायना.
तुमकां जें आमी निवडून दिल्यात ते कितें करपाक दिल्यात आमची कामां करपाक दिल्या काय आमचे घडटण करपाक दिला तुमी सांगा भावानो आमची कामां करपाक.
तुम्ही जर आमचे हेरिटेज वाचना आनी ज्या बारीक लोकांक जर पळयना जाल्यार तुमचो सरकार कितें जाय आनी आमी तुका पळयता की म्हापशान तुम्ही म्हणटा म्हापशान डेप्युटी सीएमान सांगलें की खुबशे इनॉग्रेशनाक वयता तो तुकय गेलो मागीर त्या दिसा मायकल रोबोच्या बर्थडेक गेलो व्हडलें इनॉग्रेशन बी केलें पण पयलें तरी.
The vendors then met the chairperson of Mapsa municipality, Sandeep Falari, on Tuesday evening with their demands. He has assured to take up the issue with the council. Reporter Shyam Sundar Fatte for Prudent.
The High Court has issued notices to Central and State Registrar of Cooperative Societies after hearing a petition seeking direction to convene a meeting of the Board of Directors to discuss no confidence motion against the chairman. The petitioner has claimed that 9 out of 16 directors who have the right to vote are against the present chairman. The court has directed respondents to file reply within 3 weeks.
The High Court on Tuesday sought replies from Central Registrar of Cooperative Societies and State Registrar of Cooperative Societies in the wake of a petition seeking direction to convene a special meeting of the Board of Directors to discuss no confidence motion against the present chairman. The petitioner has also pleaded to the court to issue appropriate directions to the respondent directors from taking any financial and policy-making decisions till disposal of the petition. During the hearing, petitioner contended that there are total 21 directors of Goa State Cooperative Societies, but only 16 directors have voting rights. The petitioner has claimed that 9 out of 16 directors are against the present chairman. The High Court has directed all the respondents to file their replies by next date of hearing. Meanwhile, Chairman of Goa State Cooperative Society, Ullas Faldesai, refused to comment. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Germany will clash with France in third quarter-final of FIFA World Cup Brazil. The Germans got the better of a spirited Algeria by 2-1 in extra time to make it to the last 8 stage. Earlier, France beat Nigeria by 2 goals to take their place in the quarterfinals. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.